You know, I never thought I'd become a shade sail expert, but life has a funny way of turning you into things you never expected. But with Pauline working from home and no garage, that beauty was about to become a sun-baked mess. So I had this brilliant idea. Well, brilliant might be stretching it. Let's call it a desperate attempt at DIY heroics. A shade sail. Sounds simple, right? Ha! Little did I know what I was getting myself into. First, there was the shopping list. A 3x5 M sail. Check. A 90x90x 6000mm 3.5mm gauge gal steel tube. Sure, why not? Throw in 200 kilograms of concrete while we're at it. Bob, bless him, came with me to pick up the materials. His ute looked like it was trying to joust with the cars behind us. Then came the real fun. Digging holes, mixing concrete, setting poles. I felt like I was building a fortress, not a shade. But you know what? When I finally saw that sail stretched out, protecting our car like a guardian angel made of fabric and steel, it was all worth it. But hey, at least our car will be safe, right?